What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Billy Dan, and we're here with meme coin number 1 from the top 5 meme coin video, and this is Success Kid, ticker being SKID. Now, as we can see, SKID is up 33% today, and as I scroll through the crypto markets, we can see that nothing is up today. In fact, just on Friday, we had a dump on Bitcoin and a dump on the markets due to a strong dollar. But somehow Success Kid is up 33% today. It's actually up 140% in the last 30 days and is up 126% in the last 14 days. Now, we did have a dump on SKID, but before we go look at the price on SKID, let's look at SKID's market cap. Before we look at the market cap, let's look at the portfolio. How many people added this to their portfolio? Only a few thousand. So not many people know about this yet. I've been speaking about this in my private circles for a while, and we can see it started to take off the other day just after I released the top 5 meme coin video, putting this number 1. And since that video was put out around the 2nd of June, Success Kid is the top performing meme coin. And matter of fact, it's been outperforming many altcoins in the market. Now, when we go to look at the market cap, there is no market cap. We don't know what the market cap is yet. We're still waiting for that to be updated. We can look at the fully diluted, and the fully diluted is just sitting underneath 10 mil. In the last 24 hours, we traded around $500,000. And now if you want to get Success Kid, SKID being the ticker, then you need to get it on Solana. But now let's go look at the price of SKID against the USDT. So I do know on the launch of this coin, there was a huge pump to the upside, and then there was a massive correction, and after that we saw Success Kid showing us sideways price action for around a month. So we could see we couldn't break above this level around the 6p level, but you can see that we finally broke out of this level and we done over 100+% pumping to the upside, and then we see a major correction. Obviously, as the whole market corrected, also seems like Success Kid is coming back strong again, pushing to the upside, doing a 33% in one day in bad market conditions. So SKID is really interesting, and this is why I had it at number 1, and I expect it to come and retest this high, and I also expect it to come and retest this high. And from where price is now, you know, that's another 100%. Now, that's just small short-term targets, but we can go look at some higher targets, look at some possible areas where it could be a good place to position yourself in SKID. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and always do your own research if you do decide to get involved with the crypto markets. But don't sit there and do nothing and miss out on this bull run. Make sure you're involved in some way, sort, or form. I don't know what the saying is meant to be, but it sounded right. Bit of a remix, but you know what I'm getting at. So let's look at some possible entries and some targets for Success Kid. Now, this area here, if price pushes back down into the 7p area and it can hold, then this would be a very nice place to position yourself in Success Kid. And before you even make it to the previous highs, you're already going to be doing 100%. If we measure that from there, already 100%. Before you even make it to the highs to break all-time highs and then go retest the previous high that was made on the initial pump that we was talking about. Now, if price doesn't hold that 7 cents level and starts pushing back down into the 60-50 cents level, then this would be a perfect place to be loading up on Success Kid. But we don't know what's going to happen with the markets on Monday. Now, Success Kid could start just moving to the upside, breaking all-time highs and continue to the upside. So it is a risk waiting to get better prices. But tell the truth, I've got some massive targets. So whether you get in at 10 cents or 5 cents, if you're in, you're in. Now let's go and look at some serious targets for Success Kid. Right, looking at Success Kid, let's look at some targets. To look at the targets for Success Kid, we are going to have to zoom all the way out because my targets are very far away. Now, from where price is now, my first target is sitting around $1.40. That's around 1300% away from where price is now, looking at a 13x. Now, as we continue, we can see that my next target is around $2.50, and from where price is now, approximately a 2,200% gain. You're looking at a 22x, and they're my main two targets for SKID. But my top target for SKID, if we zoom out a bit more, I'm looking at $4. Now from where price is now, and this is why I was saying it don't really matter if you're getting at 7 cents or if you're getting at 5 cents. From where price is now, if we get to $4, we're looking at 4,200% gains. It's looking like a 42x, and we could possibly push up a bit higher, maybe into the $4.50 region, to hit a 50x, a 5,000% gain on SuccessKid. And these are huge targets. But remember, the meme coins are risky and they can dump at any time. And the earlier the meme coin is, the more risky it is, but also there is much higher rewards. And I've been talking about SuccessKid for a while in my private circles. I thought it was only right to put it on the public domain, as we quite possibly have a gem on our hands. Now make sure you catch up with all the previous meme coin videos. If you haven't watched the top 5 meme coin video already, go watch that now. In number 5 we had Pepe. In number 4 we had Book of Meme, but then Book of Meme was a bit iffy, but go watch that video and you'll get the information. Then in number 3 we had Bonk, and number 2 we had Kitten Hamir, that is the Kai coin, and at number 1 we had SuccessKid, SKID. There'll be plenty updates and more information in the meme coin category, but we've also have other narratives we need to pay attention to. I'll be highlighting them in the up and coming videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is Billy Dan. Until the next video, I'm out.